White Bull's Barbecue, the best damn barbecue ever.
Welcome back, subscribers. Chris here from White Bull's Barbecue, and today we're gonna be doing prime rib bone-in. So if you've been begging me for a while, which I know some of you have, to do a prime rib, today's the day. We're gonna be smoking it on the Traeger Pro 780, and we're gonna be searing it on that Traeger cast plate that comes with the Traeger Ranger, just like we did on the Tomahawk in a previous video. This is gonna be bomb. You already know it. Hit that like and subscribe. Hit that bell, and let's get into it. The best damn barbecue ever, baby. So we're getting this prime rib going. We got it going around 225. We're using pecan pellets. It's cross-hatched, aka scored on the fat cap, and I'm about to show you what I mean. But this is about to be a couple-hour cook, and once we hit 120, 125, we're gonna yank her off and we're gonna sear it just like we did our Tomahawk video. If you didn't see that yet, I'll put the link in the description. Let's get it. Alright, we're about 20 minutes into this cook, about 65 on the internal. We got our Traeger probe that comes with it already in there so I can check it from the app on my phone. I don't like that dog, and I'm sure you don't either. Let's check this out and give it a spritz. We'll be back to check on it in another 20 minutes. Alright, so we're about an hour in. We're around 90 degrees. We've been spritzing it every 15 minutes. And we're gonna be pulling this off at about 120, and then we're gonna sear it to 130, 135. This is gonna be bomb. The next time you see me, we'll be cutting this beast up. Hit that like and subscribe. What you waiting for? Just like that, bro. We let this smoke for about 2 hours on the Traeger Pro 780 at about 225 to 275 degrees. We gradually made it go higher. And here's the result after a 10-minute rest. Oh yeah, baby. That is what you're looking for in a prime rib. Bone-in is the way to go. Nice and tender. Beautiful. Unbelievable. hit that like and subscribe. That is a perfect, and I mean perfect, prime rib. And there's nothing else to say about it. Cheers. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. That's how you do a prime rib, baby. I smoked it to about 110, 115, and then I seared it at 400 degrees on the case plate, and the rest was history. You see how juicy that was? You see how pink it still was? That's how you do a prime rib, baby. And having that bone in just made it all the more gangster because we could hold it like cavemen. That was a lot of meat. I hope that you're feeding a lot of people if you plan on doing this. Make it something festive. Graduation, birthday, holiday. Make sure it's an occasion and make sure that you always come back for all the best recipes in barbecue, guys. I appreciate the hell out of you. Until next time, hit that bell and comment what you want to see below. Your boy's trying to deliver the best damn barbecue ever.
White Bulls BBQ, the best damn barbecue ever.